Imagine you're in a room surrounded by billions of bacteriophage viruses trying to infect all that they can. Sounds scary, right? Well, let me tell you, you're in a place like that right now, and so am I. Turns out there are estimated to be 10 to the 31 particles of bacteriophage viruses distributed across the world. That's a lot of zeros and a lot of viruses. However, these viruses aren't here to infect me, you, or any other multicellular organism. They're after bacteria. That's right, bacteriophage are viruses that infect bacteria. So how do these bacteriophages, or phages for short, infect bacteria? Let's first take a look at their basic structure.
All viruses have genetic material, either strands of DNA or RNA, that acts as a blueprint for the creation of more viruses. In phage, these strands are protected by a protein shell called a head or a capsid. Connected to the head is a tail, with tail fibers that help the virus attach to a host cell. Now, not every phage can infect any type of bacteria. On the surface of a bacterium, there are highly specific receptors that only certain phages can attach to. Once a phage finds a bacterium it can attach to, it injects its genetic material into the host. A lytic phage's genetic material will use the bacteria's own machinery and components to begin assembling new phages. After a large amount of phages are produced, they will then lyse or destroy the host cell, unleashing the new phages to infect other bacteria. A temperate phage will go through a similar process, but instead its genetic material will incorporate itself into the host genetic material. Because of this, the phage's DNA or RNA can replicate along with its host, staying dormant until environmental conditions cause the phage to enter the lytic cycle. And thus the process repeats as the new viruses can infect other bacteria.
So, why should you care that phages kill off bacteria? Well, many strains of bacteria have begun to gain resistance to antibiotics. This means we might not be able to fight off certain infections from bacteria with antibiotics. However, because phages are able to invade and destroy specific hosts, they show potential in fighting off antibiotic-resistant bacteria. So although phages may sound scary, they don't exist to harm you, and they might be the key to one day saving someone's life.